Modular synthesis is such an expensive, complicated, time-consuming process. Most of what I'll be doing with this modular wall could be done with a laptop in my local coffee shop. It would be quicker, it would be easier, the results might potentially be better, and ultimately a lot less satisfying. As I said earlier in this video, I haven't really used my modular kit for a couple of years now, and the reason I quit is that I didn't see the point. Why am I spending all this time making music that no one, or at least very few people, will ever hear? It's a good question. You see, I'm 51 years old. I don't want to be an artist. I don't want to DJ my tracks out in clubs. I'd much rather be in bed. So why am I bothering? What is this all for? And you know what? I realise I've spent most of my life doing practical, useful, real-world things. You know, working hard, mainly sat in front of a computer, making money to pay the bills, investing in real-world assets, shares and things, raising a family. All good, noble stuff, but I've never really created anything. So music, and to extent this YouTube channel, are my creative outlets. I just want to create stuff for the sake of creating it, to get pleasure in the act of creating a thing that didn't exist before. And if I end up finishing tracks that I'm proud of, I'll stick them up on Spotify as a record of my creations. And if I'm going to document my journey here on YouTube, it's because I like creating videos too. I enjoy the challenge. I love cameras and all the kind of gadgets that go along with it. Now, if you want to follow along, then please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, it helps the algorithm, it gives me more motivation to keep doing this. And if you want to know more about at least one of the modules that will end up in this modular wall, then check out my beginner series on the IntelliGel Metropolis. You can find it here. I actually did this a few years ago when I first got into it, so the videos are not great quality. I've certainly got better at making videos. The audio can be a little bit dodgy as well, so apologies in advance. I will do more of that kind of deep dive as we go forward, and hopefully the audio and video will be much better. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I will catch you next time. See you then. Goodbye.